Dan, you hear me?
Hey, what's up? I don't see you guys on the roof.
We're going for it. Trying the subway to Inwood. Over.
Yeah, really? I don't... maybe the grunts will wipe them out on the Bronx. Guys?
Hey, I'm reloading!
Reloading. Thanks.
Loading ammo.
Don't stop until you get to the elevator.
Inbound. Pull for the truck.
This'll do. Ammo break.
Ball is down.
I almost ate it. Thanks. Creeper is close. Creeper's gone.
Friendly fire!
I'm reloading.
Call the elevator. We gotta get out.
This'll do. Elevator cold.
Hey, I'm reloading! Last stop, shitbirds! Dan, you there?
Always.
We're headed down. Out of food. Gotta go now. You coming? Over.
Look, I got food and booze for a month. Jawheads will be here by then.
I'm reloading.
I'm gonna wait it out, but I'll keep an eye out for you.
That's... shit. That's a lot of Zeke. But we got no choice.
Holy Christ. You seeing this? Goddamn Thanksgiving Day parade.
Army's gonna run out of bullets.
You are all mine. It's on, bitches! I'm out of bullets! Molotov!
climbing. Knock him down.
We take out enough of them.
Guys okay?
We can get down the
I'm hearing
elevator
a lot of
shaft.
action from your way.
Working on it.
Fresh ammo coming up. Oh, yeah! Racking them up. I think we got them all.
Gas bag's gone. Steak fingers on.
Somebody
I thought he'd never go down.
This'll do. Okay. Reloading. Shit! I see a creeper! Piece of shit's got me! Got the creeper! Ugh. Thanks. Clear. Subway should be just across the street.
Loading ammo.
This'll do. This'll buy us some time. Robotic death machine!
Guys, seeing a swarm coming straight for you.
Which direction?
Right down the motorway.
Robotic death machine, baby!
Eyes open. Got eyes.
This'll help keep them back. Auto turrets ready for action. Yeah, this'll keep them back. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Boom coming in! Fresh ammo coming up. Creator's juice.
Big ball is down.
We got a creep! Come on, creep. Whew. Oh, you were all mine. It's on, bitches.
This is gonna be bad.